You're watching the Nature Naturally videocast series from the Michigan Department of Natural Resources.
This is the Great Beaver Extraction, fall of 2007. The Super Ranger, Rick Tessmer, Super Supervisor, Bill Doan. These guys know what they're doing. They're going to work. Got to get a beaver out. Got to extract the beaver from the Boston, North America mining pit. The plan is, Bill goes down in the hole. Rick lowers the beaver extraction device. Bill sinking to the depths of the abyss. Rick's trying to bait him in by throwing sticks down in the bucket. Ooh, what technique. He is in the can.